How to listen to Spotify local files on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to listen to Spotify local files on iPhone. One example of local files are songs located on your Apple Music library. These are probably the songs you downloaded or purchased from iTunes in the past. Take a look at mine for example. If you want to listen to these local files on Spotify using your iPhone, just open your Spotify and follow along. I will be giving you 3 simple steps. Once Spotify is open, you should see the gear or settings icon on the right top corner of the screen. Tap on this settings icon, and under settings, scroll all the way down until you find local files. Tap local files. On this page, you should see show audio files from this device. Just turn it on. This adds the tracks from this device into your library. Once you turn it on, you should receive a confirmation they've been added to your library. Tap on the Your Library icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. This should bring you to your playlists on Spotify. Tap on the Local Files playlist and you should see the same songs from my Apple Music library. To listen to them, all you need to do is find the song you'd like to listen to, tap on it, and it should start playing. And those are the 3 easy steps to listen to Spotify local files on iPhone. And of course, don't forget to enjoy the music. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, give us a like, and of course, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you on the next one!